You've probably seen them spinning constantly on the wheels of many trucks while driving down the highway and never really knew what the heck those strange, eye-catching parts do. They're not just for decoration to make the vehicle look good. They're not balancing weights like the ones on cars. And if they break or fail on the move, an entire truck can become a deadly risk on the road for everyone nearby. These mysterious capsules, which look like little spinning metallic spheres, were part of a system so ingenious and revolutionary that almost nobody today remembers how it works or why it was so important. Today you'll discover what these strange parts are really for, how they work mechanically, what incredible technology they hide inside, and why they've almost completely disappeared from modern highways despite their proven benefits. Yeah, those mysterious capsules that visibly protrude from the rear wheels are part of a revolutionary automatic tire inflation system known commercially as Rodoar. Its main function is to constantly maintain the ideal pressure in the tires of heavy-duty trucks and passenger buses, automatically detecting any air loss or puncture during a trip and automatically replenishing the air as needed without any human intervention required. This ensures the vehicle maintains stability in sharp turns and efficiency in diesel fuel consumption, while also protecting the tires from premature uneven wear and ensuring the safety of the driver and other road users. The system detects minimal pressure drops of just 1 or 2 psi and automatically activates inflation, notifying the driver through visual alarms on the dashboard and audible alerts in the cab. But it can even handle minor puncture situations without the driver needing to immediately pull over to the shoulder, preventing serious tire damage and allowing them to reach a safe location or a specialized repair shop. The importance of this mechanism lies not only in direct road safety, but also in the economic efficiency of commercial transport, allowing for significant fuel savings, reducing premature wear on expensive tires, and preventing serious accidents caused by improper pressure that can lead to explosive blowouts. Fun fact number 1. A truck tire with just 10% less pressure than recommended can increase fuel consumption by up to 4%. For a truck that travels 100,000 kilometers annually, this translates into thousands of dollars wasted on additional fuel alone. Okay, that's why maintaining the correct pressure is economically critical. The Rodoar system is composed of several essential elements that work in perfect coordination to maintain the ideal pressure in each individual tire of the vehicle. First, the truck's own air compressor acts as the pressure source, the same one used for the air brake system, connecting to a specific control module or panel that regulates and monitors the pressure continuously and automatically, 24 hours a day. This panel indicates any detected anomaly to the driver on the instrument panel, offering detailed information about each individual tire in real time through indicator lights or digital displays. From the central control module, a compressed air is transported through corrosion-resistant metal hoses or flexible ones reinforced with steel braiding to the constantly moving wheels. On each wheel, a special rotary connector allows air to be introduced while the wheel is spinning at high speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, ensuring constant inflation without pressure leaks. Finally, specialized central valves located in the center of the wheel allow the controlled passage of compressed air, setting the corresponding pressure as configured on the panel. But here's what's truly fascinating about the system. The rotary connector is the most complex and critical piece of the entire setup. It must allow air to pass from a fixed part of the axle to a part that is spinning at incredible speeds, all while maintaining a perfect airtight seal. Yes, it's similar to the challenge of filling a balloon that's spinning at 100 revolutions per minute without any air escaping. To achieve this, engineers developed multi-stage mechanical seals with special materials resistant to friction and heat. These seals must last for hundreds of thousands of kilometers without maintenance. Inside the connector are precision bearings that allow for smooth rotation, while carefully designed internal channels transport the air without turbulence that would cause wear. Fun fact number 2. The rotary connector on each wheel is a masterpiece of mechanical engineering. It must spin at speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour while maintaining a perfect airtight seal to prevent air leaks. It uses special bearings and mechanical seals that can withstand millions of revolutions without failing. But it's similar to the technology used in high-precision industrial machinery. The perfect coordination of all these elements allows the system to maintain the desired pressure even during variations in the truck's load when cargo is loaded or unloaded, or changes in the ambient temperature of the tires as they heat up with use. Pressure sensors, along with visual alarms and satellite monitoring in modern versions, ensure the driver is always fully informed and can make timely decisions to maintain the vehicle's safety and performance. Maintaining proper tire pressure has multiple proven practical benefits. First, it reduces fuel consumption by up to 4%, contributing to significant savings on long hauls of thousands of kilometers. Additionally, it increases tire lifespan by up to 30% wear, preventing uneven wear and premature damage to the structural casing. Unnecessary power loss is also minimized, improving the efficiency of the engine and the vehicle's transmission. From the professional driver's perspective, having correctly inflated tires dramatically decreases the risk of accidents caused by blowouts, offering greater stability in sharp turns, emergency braking, and on uneven terrain. It also significantly reduces the need for frequent manual interventions with portable compressors, allowing the trucker to focus on safe driving and the efficient logistics of their route. Together, these benefits represent greater road safety, substantial economic savings, and a more efficient and less stressful driving experience. Fun fact number 3. A tire blowout on a truck traveling at highway speed can be catastrophic. The explosion can generate a force equivalent to a small bomb, causing an instantaneous loss of vehicle control. Every year, thousands of highway accidents are caused by tire failures, many of which could be prevented with pressure monitoring systems. The concept of automatic tire inflation is not as recent as many believe. Its first practical implementation dates back to 1942 during World War II with the development of the famous American amphibious truck, the DUKW, nicknamed the Duck. This military vehicle was specifically designed to operate on complex and varied terrains like water, deep mud, and loose sand, and it required constant adjustment of its tire pressure to adapt to each surface. The first prototypes used chambers and tubes installed in the wheel hubs, allowing the driver to control the pressure from the cap using buttons without needing to stop the vehicle to inflate the tires manually. Over time, the technology expanded to military vehicles from different countries, including armored buses, heavy commercial trucks, and specialized agricultural machinery. Even sectors like open-pit mining and logging in difficult terrains adopted the system for its advantages in safety and operational efficiency. Fun fact number 4. During World War II, the DUKW amphibious truck transported over 18 million tons of supplies. Its variable tire inflation system was key to its success, allowing it to transition from landing beaches to paved roads without changing vehicles. Many of these trucks remained in use until the 1990s. In the 1990s, while a Brazilian engineer, Fernando Marcelo Carleta, developed an improved commercial version of the system, incorporating an electronic pressure regulating panel, a rotor with a high durability mechanical seal designed specifically for the tropical climate, and various patented technical innovations that improved reliability. Carleta registered approximately 15 patents related to the automatic inflation system, from the design of the external capsules to the internal air distribution circuits, solidifying its expansion in heavy trucks, passenger buses, and utility vehicles in Brazil and neighboring Latin American countries. The system became popular under the commercial name Rodoar, becoming a symbol of technological modernity and customization among professional truckers who competed to have the best equipped vehicles. For many drivers, having Rodoar installed was a matter of professional pride, similar to having shiny chrome or extra lights. Thanks to its innovative design, it offered precise monitoring of the pressure in each individual tire with an accuracy of 1 psi, allowing for immediate corrective actions and dramatically increasing road safety, especially on mountain roads. The adoption of Rodoar spread rapidly, becoming standard in long-haul transportation fleets, international logistics companies, and heavy-duty work vehicles throughout South America. What's interesting is that Rodoar wasn't just functional, it also became part of trucker culture. Drivers customized their external capsules with chrome paint, bright colors, or custom designs. Some companies even painted their logos on the capsules as a form of mobile advertising. Yet it became an element of the truck's visual identity. Fun fact number 5. At its peak of popularity during the 1990s, over 60% of new trucks sold in Brazil came factory equipped with the Rodoar system. It was considered a status symbol among truckers, similar to having a high-end CB radio or custom leather seats. Trucks without Rodoar sold for less on the used market. The benefits of the Rodoar system are both technically and economically proven. The automatic calibration of the tires reduces uneven wear by up to 30%, improves vehicle stability, especially with a full load, and allows the truck to continue driving with minor punctures, avoiding costly downtime and emergency roadside repairs. Transport companies that adopted the system achieved significant savings in preventive maintenance and fuel consumption, in addition to extending the lifespan of their entire fleets. During the 1990s, the system was extremely popular in truck and bus fleets in Brazil. Some bus companies like Catarinense use Rodoar for decades, cementing its reputation as a reliable and efficient accessory. The combination of operational time savings, dramatically improved safety, and ease of monitoring from the cab made it an attractive investment for carriers and industrial fleet operators. Fun fact number 6. A study conducted in Brazil during the 1990s showed that fleets equipped with Rodoar had 40% fewer accidents related to tire failures. Furthermore, the average downtime due to tire problems was reduced by more than half. This meant that trucks spent more time on the road generating revenue. Despite its clear advantages, the Rodoar system gradually began to lose popularity for a combination of reasons. First, it ceased to be a visible and aesthetically appealing accessory for some drivers, losing its cool factor and social status. Additionally, some users relied too heavily on the system's automation, neglecting necessary repairs on other components, which led to additional damage to the tires and other parts. Another decisive factor was the cost of specialized maintenance. Leaks in connectors, worn moving parts, precision bearings, and flexible hoses required periodic checks by trained technicians, which significantly increased operating expenses. Over time, many fleets considered it more cost-effective to maintain manual tire calibration, which, although more laborious, was cheaper and simpler to manage. Fun fact number 7. The annual maintenance of a complete Rodoar system on a truck could cost between $500 and $1,000, depending on wear and tear. For large fleets with hundreds of vehicles, this represented tens of thousands of dollars annually. Many companies decided that money was better spent on other aspects of preventive maintenance. This combination of economic, technical, and cultural factors led to Rodoar being gradually replaced in most modern commercial vehicles. However, it didn't disappear completely. Some long-haul truck operators and specialized fleets still use it in remote regions. With the evolution of technology, simpler and more affordable systems emerged, like the pressure equalizer. Although it doesn't perform automatic inflation like Rodoar, thus it allows pressure to be balanced between dual tires automatically and compensates for variations caused by ambient temperature and load. Some modern models include electronic low-pressure alerts connected to the dashboard, maintaining the fundamental principles of safety and efficiency of Rodoar. The equalizer doesn't completely replace Rodoar in functionality, but it shares its fundamental philosophy, ensuring stability, fuel economy, and driver safety. This system has become a practical alternative for modern fleets, offering similar benefits with less mechanical complexity and reduced maintenance costs. Current brands of trucks and buses have incorporated this technology as a factory standard, ensuring the proper performance of tires without constant manual intervention. Fun fact number 8. Modern tire pressure monitoring systems, TPMS, use wireless electronic sensors installed inside each tire. These sensors transmit real-time information to the truck's computer, alerting the driver of any change. It's similar to the technology used in passenger cars, but designed to withstand the extreme conditions of heavy transport. Fun fact number 9. In the United States and Europe, tire pressure monitoring systems have been mandatory by law on all new commercial vehicles since 2014. The regulation was implemented after studies showed that incorrect tire pressure was a contributing factor in over 20% of truck accidents. Fun fact number 10. A high-quality truck tire can cost between $500 and $1,000 depending on the size and brand. A typical heavy-duty truck has 18 tires in total, meaning that replacing all the tires can cost up to $18,000. Maintaining the correct pressure to maximize their lifespan is economically critical for transport companies. Fun fact number 11. Truck tires can withstand pressures of up to 120 psi, much more than the 35 psi of a normal car. This extreme pressure is necessary to support the weight of the truck, which can reach 40 tons or more. But it also means that a blowout releases energy equivalent to a small explosion. Fun fact number 12. Under ideal conditions, truck tires can last up to 200,000 kilometers before needing replacement. But with incorrect pressure, that lifespan can be cut in half. It's like literally burning money on the highway. Those capsules spinning constantly with the wheels are not simple mechanical ornaments or decorative weights with no real function. They represent a fascinating example of mechanical ingenuity applied to heavy transport, even though their use has significantly declined over the years for economic and technological reasons. Rodoar revolutionized road safety and truck efficiency, proving that even the most discreet inventions can have a lasting impact on the history of road transportation. Today, although the classic Rodoar with its visible capsules has been replaced in most modern trucks by less visible electronic systems, its legacy remains. The principles it developed, constant pressure monitoring, automatic adjustment, driver alerts, are still fundamental in all modern tire management systems. But a technological evolution didn't eliminate the need for Rodoar. It simply found more economical and efficient ways to achieve the same goals. Wireless electronic sensors are cheaper to maintain and more accurate in their measurements. Computerized systems can detect patterns of pressure loss and predict failures before they occur. But it all started with those spinning capsules. Through constant innovation, intelligent automation, and mechanical precision, systems like Rodoar teach us that safety and performance are not a matter of chance or luck, but the result of engineering designed to protect human lives and optimize economic resources. Sometimes the most discreet inventions are the ones that travel the most miles of history, or leaving a legacy that transcends generations and continues to inspire technological improvements in the world of road transport. It's fascinating to think that a technology born on the battlefields of World War II ended up saving lives on civilian highways. Decades later, that a system designed for tanks and amphibious trucks became standard for school buses and delivery trucks. It's a reminder that innovation follows unpredictable paths. If you were surprised to discover the hidden genius behind those mysterious capsules on the wheels, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to keep exploring secrets of heavy transport you never imagined. See you down the road, where every truck hides its own story of innovation and adventure.